What's up, guys? Welcome back to another pack opening video. We got a Tinkaton Stellar Crown booster pack bundle. I open it up, see what we get. I hate these things. You're always worried about destroying the front card. There's gotta be a better way. There's gotta be a better way. That. Here's Tinkaton. Sparkly promo. We got 3 Stellar Crowns to open. Start off with a Lapras. See what we get. We got an Eevee. A Lokix, Charizard, Cyclozar, Driftblim, Reveroom, Rapidash. We got a Fletchling Reverse Holo, Pangoro Reverse Holo, and we got a Grimmsnarl Full Holo. These things look pretty sweet. And we got a Psychic Energy. Next pack. We have a Fletchling, a Phalanx, Pergly, Fido, Lacey, Electivire, Jirachi. Then we got a Reverse Holo Nimble, Reverse Holo Clink, Full Holo Iron Boulder, and a Dark Energy. So far, nothing great. Last pack, let's see what we got. We got a Rotom. That's cool. That'll help fill out that collection. We got a Scorbunny, Antique Cover Fossil, Pancham, Crabominable, Talonflame, Soldazzle. We got a Tornadus Reverse Holo. Ooh, we got a Gulpin. Ooh, full art. Special illustration rare, I guess. I think it's pretty sweet. And what's behind it? Clink Clank. Full Holo. And Grass Energy. Oh. We got a Gulpin. Clink Clank. And the Grimmsnarl are really the only 3 that I think are worth half of anything. The Tinkaton promo. Everybody and their mother's got one. But here you go. Pretty sweet pull. Put that in a sleeve. And we'll call it a day. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Subscribe for more pack opening videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.